Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So today in this lecture, first of all I will explain you what is HAP 6.2. So HAP 6.2, or you can say HAP, stands for Early Analysis Program. It is an advanced HVAC load calculation and energy analysis software developed by Carrier. Okay, it is used by HVAC designer, MEP consultant and energy modeler to accurately calculate cooling load, heating load, HVAC system capacity, annual energy consumptions, energy cost and compliance with ASHRAE standards. Okay, so HAP 6.2 is widely accepted in commercial, residential, hospitals, hotel, airport and industrial projects. Got it? And HAP 6.2 uses a heat balance method powered by the energy simulation engine. Okay, so how this HAP 6.2 work? Simple. It works on an hourly simulation basis using outdoor weather data, solar radiations, internal heat gain, building thermal properties, HVAC operation schedules. So it calculates building heat transfer for every hour of the year and identify the peak cooling and heating load. So this approach is much more accurate than manual or peak only condition. Okay, so this is all about what is HAP 6.2. Now here I will explain you about the purpose. What is the main purpose of HAP 6.2 and why it is used? Okay, so the first main purpose is to calculate the accurate cooling and heating load. The first main purpose of HAP 6.2 software is to calculate accurate cooling and heating load. Okay, so HAP 6.2 calculates sensible and latent loads, peak cooling loads, peak heating load. Unlike manual methods, it uses hourly simulation, giving more realistic result. And the second purpose is what? Hourly based analysis means HAP performed calculation hour by hour considering outdoor temperature variation, solar radiation changes, internal heat gain schedules, occupancy patterns. So this helps engineers avoid oversizing or undersizing HVAC equipment. The third main purpose is what? HAP follows ASHRAE fundamental, means ASHRAE standard compliance, means HAP normally follows the ASHRAE fundamentals, ASHRAE 90.1, ASHRAE 62.1, which is the ventilation standard. So this make it acceptable for consultant, government approvals, international project like Gulf, US, etc. Next, its main purpose is what? HVAC system comparison and selection. So HAP software helps compare chilled water system, DX system, VRF system, VAV versus CAV system. You can analyze energy consumption, operating cost, system efficiencies. Okay. Next, energy cost and life cycle analysis. So here normally the HAP estimates monthly and annual energy use, electricity and fuel cost, peak demand charges, so which is very useful for green building, value engineering and client presentation. Okay, next purpose is what? To support the equipment sizing support. So based on calculated load which you have done, HAP assessed in chiller sizing, AHU and FCU capacities, cooling coil selection, airflow. Okay, and it is useful for green building and certification also. HAP is widely used for lead projects, energy modeling, sustainability reports. Okay, and next one is what? For initial cost and installation. Got it? So this is the main purpose of HAP 6.2 as I shown you here. Now let's see the key features of HAP 6.2 software. So the first one is the detail. Here you can do the detail building modeling. Means you can define wall, roofs, floors, glass type and shading, orientation, space by space zoning, Okay. Second, weather data library means built-in global weather database, supports Gulf, India, USA, Europe, and design day and annual simulation report. Next, we have an internal heat gain input, includes occupancy load, lighting load, equipment load, schedule based operations. Then HVAC system templates means here predefined system types like VAV with reheat, fan coil unit, DX split system, central chill water systems. Okay. Then reports and output is the another features, means have generate space load report, zone load summaries, coil load report, energy cost report. So it's very helpful for submission and documentation. Okay. And finally, the it is a user friendly interface. It has user friendly interface also compared to other energy tools. The HAP 6.2, it is a simple data inputs, graphical structure, and easy learning curve for beginners. Okay, so these are the key features of HAP 6.2. Okay, so hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.